Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got one of the baddest digital weather watch faces you ever want to see. Now this one is totally off the roof, people. But before we get started, we do got some names of some winners we got to call out for the PW watch face that we review. Now the name of the watch face that we reviewed was called PW73B. We got 3 winners. PW lit this one up, people. Now the winners are going to be Robert Norblit. Congratulations, Robert. Yes, you are a winner. And we also got Reed Cardwell. He is in the building tonight. Also, we got Jackie. Congratulations to all the winners. For those of you all who didn't get your name called, know that I got more free watch faces, and then I got more free watch faces to give away. So make sure you continue to comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now the name of the watch face is called WFP 0128 Fahrenheit. Now this watch face is beautiful. It is totally off the chart. I like the look, I like the design, and of course I like the layout of this watch face. I'm a sucker for a weather watch face. My man did an excellent job. I'm giving him 4 thumbs up in the door for creativity on this watch face. Now, I got a freebie for you. I'm going to be giving away a Celsius watch face. I don't know how many of you all like Celsius, but if you do, hit me in the comment section down below. Tell me you want that watch face. All right. And with that being said, let's finish the review off. Now, listen up, people. I like the design of this one. This one looks really nice. And up at the top, you're going to get your day, your date, and your month. You get a nice big bold digital time right in the middle. You get animated seconds to the right, to the left. You get a PM, AM stamp, which looks really good. Then you get 3 dials down at the bottom here, right? Now, here's what I like about this watch face, right, that I miss with Android Wear. This is right here. That's going to be your weather for today. It's let me know that it's kind of hazy outside, although it's been snowing today in my area. And then you get your battery percentage in the middle. But then over here, that's going to be your weather for tomorrow. So you all set up for whatever it is that you need to put on for that day, whether it's going to be 80 in your area or whether it's going to be 12 degrees. You are going to be ready for that day. I like the look of this watch face. And yes, people, it is interactive. You're going to get like 5 shortcuts in all. I'm telling you, this watch face is going to be super convenient. You can set it up however you want to set it up so far as your favorites to make this watch face as convenient as you would like. Now, when I double tap, it's going to automatically cause me to change the color of the watch face, right? So, but I double tap here, it is going to allow me to set up my favorites there. Double tap here, I got another area, and then if I tap right here, I can get my weather, single tap. And then if I double tap right here, I got my 3rd favorite. And then if I double tap right here where the day is, I can pull up another one. Now if I come all the way over, I'm just trying to show you where all of them are. I can get my last favorite. Not bad, right? And in the middle, on the 15, I can pull up my calendar. Also, if I single tap, I can get my recents. So I thought this was definitely a great look for a watch face. My man really did his thing with this one. And yes, I like it. So I'm gonna double tap again in the center and I can customize the color. But I like how it changed the theme here. It also changed the theme of the dials to kind of match the bold color that's in the middle for the time. Not a bad look. You know, you're going to get about 17 different colors to customize this to, and they're all nice, people. They are all nice. But at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. What did you think of this digital weather watch face? I'm telling you, in my opinion, my man really got down on this watch face. All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.